Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing Minecraft and I saw this. Hi you. And under my chest. I'm checking the furnace. I'm checking under the furnace. No, I'm checking under the furnace. No. Let me check the drain of this. Who did this? I don't care, but I'm taking all this. Actually, there could be like a bad enchantment on this. I'm not sure. No. Goes into furnace. That's pretty nice. A diamond sword, a shield, a spear, 64 cooked beef. Why? That's insane. Whoever did this, no thank you, but I thought I was just gonna do all this stuff for myself. Like, what if, yeah. Die, suckers. I'm just gonna have this shield on me. Are you kidding me? Not the cooked beef. That's the one thing I don't want. Yeah. Try to. Oh, a skeleton! Ah! Exactly. What's scared me? I wish they gave me the elytra. That'd be so weird. What else time? Hi sheep, I don't need to kill you. But I do need shears, actually. I just one-shotted a sheep. Let's say it about. I wish it did give me. Oh god. Oh god. Well, always have sporadic beef. I'm so shocked about whoever did this, and I'm finding them, and then I'm giving them stuff back. Die, piggy piggy. Die, horsey horsey. Die, horsey horsey. Die, piggy piggy. Die, piggy piggy. Now I'm just on a grind. Chuckles. Guys, so I had a friend, my friend Ivy. I'm not posting the video, but I had stuff and she just deleted so much of it. Like, all that stuff was just gone. I'm not getting banned from Minecraft is what these people did. Like, this could be robbery, I don't know. But, yeah. So that's what I'm scared of. Guys, comment down below what I should do in, like, a future video. Like, I mean, actually, yeah. Comment down below what I should do in a future video. Like, I need suggestions, like, Oh, you should make an enchanting table. You should kill the person that gave you this stuff. Why's my spear over here? Oh, yeah. But I straight short-term memory loss. But guys, in that video that I was in Ivy with, there was this village, right? And Ivy, and it was infected with zombies. And I think those are actually rare, but it was right next to you. Like, it was over there, I think. But I'm lost, so I don't know where it is. If I die, I'm gonna scream and cry. I'm gonna scream as loud as I possibly can. Bleh, bleh, bleh. I don't know where my home is, like, at all. Ooh, I should get some pumpkins, because I think if I wear them on my head, mobs won't get me. Like, oh no, I need to carve it first. I don't know what to carve it with. Wait, I think I can do... No, I need an axe. I think. 7. Die, fishy, fishy. Die, fishy, fishy. Die, fishy, fishy. Why can't I kill you, fishy, fishy? Die, fishy, fishy. Die, fishy, fishy. Die, fishy, fishy. Are you kidding me? I didn't know you got poisoned by bees. No. But I got oh no! Here, I'll put you out of your misery. I'm gonna put you out of your misery. Let me put you out of your misery. Let me put you out of your misery. There. There. Now the bee doesn't hurt. Because it's dead. Hey, Chuckles, time for your neck warming. I just said, I don't even know what I said. I just said neck warming. Oh, I'm so happy about this cooked beef. Because I would never get this much food. But parkour. Okay, that was a stupid idea. Oh, my house is over there, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I think. Guys, if I die one more time in this world, I'm literally never, ever doing this again. Ever, like, that would be my last video. Oh, my house is right there! Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. I'm shocked because of what that person did for me. It's amazing. I'm thankful for what he did. You guys, if that person ever does something like that to you, comment down below in the video that came out sooner than that. So yeah, guys, I will see you next time. Bye.